Most DTG printers sold online are overpriced junk built to fail within a year. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud. Want clean, vibrant prints without breaking the bank? This video will guide you to the best options with real-world clarity. Today, I'm going to be going over the best DTG printer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Lancelot M1630 Pro. Its holiday mode keeps ink flowing smoothly during breaks, vacations, or storage, reducing downtime and avoiding costly nozzle clogs. For entrepreneurs and small shops, this all-in-one setup promises minimal friction and a fast path to market. Initial impressions continue with the integrated features such as the intelligent powder shaker, heater dryer, and mobile workstation. The all-in-one production hub integrates powder shaker and heater dryer with a mobile workstation for rapid workflow in cramped spaces. Powered by XP600 printheads, it promises twice the throughput of common DTG devices while delivering vivid, lasting colors. It delivers 720 by 1440 dots per inch clarity on cotton, polyester, hats, and bags. It achieves 720 by 1440 dots per inch clarity across materials. DTF printing revolution unlocks direct fabric printing without pretreatment, saving substantial setup time and broadening material compatibility beyond traditional cotton limits. The bundle includes a plug-and-play DTF laptop with preloaded software and round-the-clock expert support to accelerate profitability in practice. No pretreatment required, and compatibility with leather, nylon, and blends expands possible product lines beyond basic cotton apparel. Its durability and hardware integration promise reliable use in busy studios, while the included mobile workstation supports on-site production and organization. In real-world trials, the setup demonstrated solid uptime, rapid printing cycles, and consistent color accuracy across multiple fabrics under varied lighting. Compared with standard DTG printers, the Lancelot M1630 Pro delivers faster throughput and pretreatment-free printing with a plug-and-play laptop. The pros include reliable holiday mode, versatile all-in-one hub, and preloaded software on bundled laptop. The cons include premium price and requires dedicated workspace. At number 4, we have the PEIXU XP600. Designed for small studios and hobbyists, this XP600 entry targets versatility-minded entrepreneurs seeking rapid production and vibrant results. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame and a vacuum bed, it accommodates substrates up to 22 by 33 by 15 centimeters. Powered by a 6-color Epson XP600 printhead, it achieves 5,760 dpi for sharp, saturated prints. With a white ink circulation and cleaning system, it keeps nozzles clear, enabling varnish effects and prints that resist water, UV, and scratches. Vacuum bed securely holds phones and bottles, guaranteeing precise alignment on a 22 by 33 by 15 centimeter platform. It supports flat printing, cylinder printing, and varnish effects, enabling applications on phone cases, acrylic, leather, metal, and more for diverse projects. Package contents include the XP600 UV printer, bottle holder, 6 ink bottles, Acarip White Ver 10.3, and cables. In testing, the XP600 UV printer delivered vivid colors across diverse substrates with reliable alignment and minimal banding at production speeds. Compared with the L1800, the XP600 delivers twice the speed and strong color fidelity at high resolution. The pros include fast printing, white ink circulation, and versatile printing modes. The cons include higher price and learning curve. Users will appreciate the broad material compatibility, from phone cases to metal and leather, along with the Acarip workflow simplification. Overall, the PEIXU XP600 stands out as a compact, capable UV DTG tool for growing shops and custom creators. At number 3, we have the Lancelot A3 L1800. If you run a small print shop or start a home-based garment line, this machine promises approachable setup and reliable results. Build quality leans toward a sturdy frame and clean panel layout that communicates durability while maintaining accessible footprint for compact studios. A built-in white ink stirring and circulatory system promises consistent results across fabrics and reduces manual intervention during production. It can print on single-sheet sized A3 or on roll material, eliminating paper jam issues common to traditional printers. In contrast to direct-to-garment methods, this DTF approach claims no pre-treatment and compatibility with leather, hats, and synthetics. In practical tests, the system delivered vibrant color on dark fabrics and evident durability through multiple wash simulations. Compared to traditional DTG printers, this DTF workflow eliminates pre-treatment and expands fabric compatibility across blends and synthetics. The pros include beginner-friendly operation, no pre-treatment required due to white ink circulation, and broad fabric compatibility across materials. The cons include a higher price point compared to entry-level options and software support limited to Windows systems only. The bundle includes a dedicated DTF computer preloaded with drivers and software, ensuring smooth setup on Windows 7, 10, or 11 systems. The bundle includes the printer, an accompanying oven for curing, and a ready-to-go laptop, creating a turnkey setup for immediate production. Customers rated this bundle at roughly 4 stars from a small sample, noting simplicity and durability, but noting room for firmware refinements. Another standout is the professional after-sales support team that offers remote assistance, troubleshooting, and timely firmware guidance for ongoing operations. All things considered, this system presents a compelling turnkey production option for small teams seeking versatility and durability in textile printing. At number 2, we have the DXZ 2026. This machine targets small print shops, hobbyists, and on-demand apparel makers seeking higher speed and consistent color without breaking the bank. Its all-in-one design philosophy appeals to DIYers who want reliable white ink handling, integrated cutters, and scalable batch processing. From the outset, the compact footprint balances a dense control panel with an unobtrusive chassis, projecting a professional enterprise-grade presence in studios. Solid metal frame and precisely machined panels convey durability, while the overall weight remains manageable for on-site relocation during production cycles. The printer supports rolls or sheets up to 8.27 inches wide, empowering flexible media choices for varying garment sizes. An integrated cutter saves film and minimizes handling steps, which translates to reduced waste and quicker turnovers during busy print runs. The upgraded roller feeder lowers feeding issues and mitigates jamming, contributing to smoother operation and consistent alignment across batches. A built-in white stirring system and semi-automatic cleaning help prevent clogs, ensuring vibrant prints on both light and dark fabrics. Complementary software upgrades arrive automatically, delivering new features while maintaining enterprise-grade security during installations to protect networks. Equipped with the XP6 color printhead, the DXZ doubles speed versus units while delivering 2,800 by 1,400 dpi. It handles glossy and matte media with consistent transfer through robust rollers and calibrated tensioning systems that reduce misregistration. In field tests, the printer achieved reliable color reproduction across fabrics while maintaining steady throughput on high-volume orders. Compared with the L1800 and L805, the DXZ 2026 delivers twice the speed. The pros include 2-year ink supply included for uninterrupted production, integrated cutter and roller feeder for streamlined workflows, and high-resolution printing. The cons include higher upfront cost relative to consumer-grade printers and bulky footprint requiring dedicated space in existing production areas. At number 1, we have the xTool 14 A3 DTF Printer. From first glance, the bundle signals a serious production-oriented solution designed for small shops, print shops, and designers seeking reliable automation. The enclosure uses a sturdy metal frame with a sealed printing bay, minimizing vibrations and maintaining alignment during high-speed runs. Its dual i1600 printheads enable precise color rendering and efficient, consistent droplet placement for durable results across diverse fabrics. The print-to-bake workflow automates printing, powdering, and curing with a single click, reducing manual steps and improving transfer consistency. Printing on A3 media finishes in 90 seconds and A4 media completes in 48 seconds, illustrating exceptional throughput. The 24/7 self-maintenance system continually monitors usage and humidity to optimize cleaning cycles, reduce waste, and extend nozzle life. Compared with a traditional DTG printer, this DTF bundle offers easier multi-fabric compatibility and a more automated workflow. The pros include robust build quality, high automation, and versatile fabric compatibility. The cons include higher price and larger footprint. Versatile printing on cotton, polyester, denim, canvas, nylon, and more opens a broad range of product possibilities without retooling for each fabric type. The bundle includes a shaker oven and integrated maintenance for continuous operation, integrating a compact footprint into existing studio spaces. During real-world tests, operators report vivid color reproduction and dependable transfers across fabrics, backed by G7 certified color accuracy. Overall, the xTool apparel printer bundle demonstrates impressive automation, reliable print quality, and solid durability for growing shops.